Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this, an absolute stunner. It is a Kawasaki Ninja 650. Great looking bike is this, finished off in the metallic black with the silver striping going down the tank as well. Good looking bike is this. Anyway, from 2020 onwards, the display changed, so you get a full colour TFT display on these now. This one's a 2020 70 plate. It has done 932 miles, as you can see by the display. Look how gorgeous that is on a 650. Yeah, Kawasaki have definitely stepped up the game with this bad boy. Let's have a look at left hand side. As standard on this bike, it's got the LED headlights, obviously LED daytime running lights. This one has also got a cheeky little tail tidy. We'll have a look at that in a second, but look how lovely it is. Hopefully the camera can do it justice. Anyway, let's give that parallel twin engine a start up. Great sounding bike. Anyway, ABS on this, so it stops on a button. Cracking bike. It is pretty much a brand new bike for used money. Anyway, to get it bought, all you need to do, drop us a Facebook message, send us an email, or the easiest thing, give the sales guys a call. Cheers guys.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.